Here again, we are finding the tangent to the circle, the equation of the tangent. I hope you have managed to also view the previous two videos on how to find the tangent to the equation of a tangent to a circle. So in this case, all I'm going to just remind you, what you need to do first is you must find the gradient of the radius, which I'm going to call M1, if this is the center of your circle with the coordinates A and B. Then the tangent must be perpendicular to your radius at the point of contact. So that's the moment after finding M1, then now you find the gradient of M2, then you also express it as y equals to mx plus c. So which means what's important first is for you to find the coordinates A and B, the center of your circle. After that, then you use the point 1 and 6 to find the gradient M1. Therefore, we are now saying in this case, if you are given x squared minus 10x plus y squared plus 3y minus 10 is equals to 0. Before doing anything, we must be able to express it in the form x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to r squared, which means we must rearrange it and complete the square. That is to say, it will be now x squared minus 10x. We divide minus 10 by 2. That is, it gives us 5 squared. That is, it will be plus 5 squared, it will be 25, plus y squared plus 3y. Then from there, we now find also, we divide this by 2. It will be 3 over 2, everything what? Squared, is equals to minus 10 to the right-hand side. It becomes plus 10. We have added a 25 there, so we also added 25 there, plus 3 over 2 squared, that is 9 over 4. Going forward, straight away, we must be able to factorize there. It will be x, here is minus, therefore there is minus, minus square root of 25, which is 5, everything squared, plus y, here is plus, which means here it will be also plus square root of 3 over 2 squared, that is 3 over 2, everything squared, is equals to, then from there we now add here, that is 10 plus 25, that is 35, plus 9 over 4, which gives me plus 9 over 4, that gives me 149 over 4. You can still use your calculator there. Then for that becomes this circle is now in that form, which means my center of the circle, which I will write as C, will be 5 and 3 over 2. That is the center of our circle, which means for us to find M1, the radius, the gradient of the radius, it will be now equals by using the gradient formula. Therefore, it will be 6. The coordinates there, let's write them nicely here. It will be now 5 and 3 over 2. Therefore, it will be 6 by using the gradient formula. It will be 6 minus 3 over 2 divided by 1 minus 5, which is equals to common denominator there with 6 minus 3 over 2 all over 1 minus 5. You can just punch it into your calculator. We must be able to get an answer of minus 9 over 8. Therefore, that is our M1. So if M1 is equals to minus 9 over 8, it means for us to be able to find M2, we say M1 multiplied by M2 is minus 9 over 8, which is now equals to, which is equals to, here we are saying M1, which is minus 9 over 8 multiplied by M2 is equals to minus 1. Yes, that is okay now there. Therefore, we solve for M2, which means in this case, our M2 must be equals to 8 over 9. After solving, then we now substitute it into the equation there. That is to say, y equals to 8 over 9x plus c. Now we are now interested in finding c, which means for us to be able to find c, we are saying c is our y value there is 6, is equals to 8 over 9 into our x value is 1 plus c. So 6 is equals to that one, which therefore means my c is equals to, I take 8 over 9 to the left hand side, then use your calculator again. 6 minus 8 over 9, common denominator there is 9, so that is 46 over 9. You can still cross check with the calculator. Therefore, we are saying here my y is equals to 8 over 9x plus 46 over 9. That becomes the equation of the tangent. Thank you so much. God bless you.